Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll do our next chapter, chapter 9, Rational Numbers of class 7th. First of all, we'll do what are the rational numbers. See here, a rational number, a number that can be expressed in the form of p by q, means in the form of fraction, where p and q all are integers and q must not be equals to 0, is called a rational number. Example, 2 by 7 minus 3 by 8 or alone 3, etc. are called rational numbers. It means here we want fractions. In rational numbers we want fractions or simple numbers even. They all are rational numbers and they are formed with the help of integers. You can see here 2, 7, minus 3, 8, even 3. They all are integers. So how we can say that the rational numbers are in the form of fractions where both p and q, mean to say both numerator and denominator, both must be integers, and where denominator should not be equals to 0 here, and these numbers are called as rational numbers. See here, we can take 3 also in the form of rational numbers, as we can take 1 in its denominator, so it is also again a rational number. See few more points about rational numbers. All integers and fractions are rational numbers, which we explained already. 0 is neither a positive nor a negative rational number. Mean to say 0 is included as a rational number, but it is not positive, neither positive nor negative, we can say. Then there are unlimited numbers of rational numbers between two rational numbers. Mean to say there are a lot of rational numbers between two rational numbers. Rational numbers are classified as positive rational numbers. Example, 2 by 3, 5 by 9. Mean to say these numbers are positive numbers and they are positive rational numbers. And negative rational numbers, example 2 by 3 minus 5 by 9. Mean to say these two numbers are negative and they are called negative rational numbers. In this way we can classify them as a positive rational numbers or negative rational numbers. Now let's start our exercise. Exercise 9.1 of chapter 9, rational numbers. See here, the very first one question is, list 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. Mean to say we are having two rational numbers, that is minus 1 and 0. They are also in the form of rational numbers, or we can write like this also, minus 1 by 1 and 0 by 1. Then we have to find out 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. So here we'll start. Now to find 5 rational numbers, what we'll do? We will add one more in 5. Mean to say 5 plus 1, that is 6. See how to do? What we'll do here? We will take minus 1 by 1 and 0 by 1 and will multiply and divide both numbers with 6 by 6, because as we want 5 rational numbers, so we'll add 1 from our side, then we get 6. Mean to say we will multiply both the rational numbers with 6 and divide it with 6 also. It means it becomes minus 1 by 1 multiply 6 upon 6, and here 0 by 1 multiply 6 by 6. Then they becomes minus 6 by 6 and here 0 by 6. Now you will see that there are so many numbers between minus 6 by 6 and 0 by 6, and we will write down. See here, the numbers between minus 6 and 0 by 6. See, it becomes minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6 and 0 by 6. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 rational numbers between these two fractions, and we want already 5 rational numbers. Now what we'll do? We will not consider these two fractions because we want in between these two numbers. So we'll take only these 5 numbers, these 5 fractions. Therefore the 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0 are these 5 terms. These are 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. In the same way, we can simplify the second part. Again, they are asking to list 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. So again, let us write minus 2 and minus 1 as rational numbers with the denominator 6. It means to say, again, what we'll do here, as we want 5 rational numbers, so we'll multiply and divide their denominators to make the denominator as 6. To multiply and divide by 6 we'll do here again. So see here, minus 2 multiply 6 by 6. If you are not writing the form of fraction, that is also fine. We can write minus 2 multiply 6 by 6 also. Same here, minus 1 multiply 6 by 6. It becomes here minus 2 into 6 minus 12 upon 6 same. Minus 1 into 6, that is minus 6 upon 6. I mean to say these two fractions are minus 12 by 6 and minus 6 by 6. Now write in all the fractions which are lying in between them. That is minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6. These are fractions, these are the rational numbers which are lying between these two terms. So therefore the 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1 would be minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6 and minus 7 by 6. And these terms were simple integers also we can say. Now we'll take actual fractions, actual rational numbers, and we'll find out the rational numbers in between these two fractions. Again here, first of all, in these terms what we have done, we were not having denominators, but here we are having denominators. So see how we'll do these terms. See here now. So here the fractions are minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. We are having these two fractions, and we will first of all what we'll do, we will take LCM of 5 and 3 here. So LCM of 5 and 3 is 15 here. It means what we'll do here, we will make the same denominator as 15 here. So minus 4 by 5, and I will multiply 5 with 3 to make it 15. So I will multiply minus 4 also with 3. It becomes minus 4 multiply 3, 5 multiply 3 means minus 12 upon 15 here. Then minus 2 by 3 is here, and we want to make 15 as denominator. So multiply 3 by 5, and same here minus 2 with 5. So it becomes minus 10 upon 15. Now you can see here in both the fractions, minus 12 upon 15 and minus 10 upon 15, both are in the same denominator, but there is only one single rational number, that is minus 11 by 15, which is lying in between these two fractions. But what we want at least 5 rational numbers in between. So what we'll do, again we will take these two fractions and multiply with any other number. See here, I have multiplied the denominator with 3 here to make the same denominator 15 with the 3, and same with the numerator, mean to say minus 12 by 15 multiply 3 by 3, it becomes minus 36 by 45. And same the second one, rational number minus 10 by 15 multiplied by 3 by 3, it becomes minus 30 by 45. Now you will see here the numbers lying between them, that is minus 35 by 45, minus 34 by 45, minus 33 by 45, minus 32 by 45, minus 31 by 45. Now you can count. Now we are having again 5 rational numbers in between these two fractions. But in actual, these fractions are minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. So therefore the 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3 are minus 35 by 45, minus 34 by 45, minus 33 by 45, minus 32 by 45, and minus 31 by 45. You can write in commas also these fractions. These are the rational numbers now. Same here, see the next part of this sum. We are having minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 as rational numbers, and again we have to find out 5 rational numbers in between. So what we'll do here, the same procedure we'll do here again. 2 and 3 are the denominators in these fractions. So what we'll do here, we will make the same denominator. Mean to say, first of all we'll take the LCM. See here, I have taken 2 and 3 and the LCM is 6. So what we'll do, we will make the same denominator. It means we'll multiply this one fraction with 3 and this one fraction with 2. It becomes minus 1 by 2 multiply 3 by 3 means minus 3 by 6. 2 by 3 multiply 2 by 2, it becomes 4 by 6. Now you can see here it is negative, it is positive. Mean to say, we can also find out the rational numbers between a negative rational number and a positive rational number. So here we'll start from minus 3 by 6. I will move up to 4 by 6. The numbers in between are minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0, or we can also write 0 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6. It means these numbers are lying between these two fractions, but these are in actual minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So therefore the rational numbers lying between are minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6 and 3 by 6, and these are the rational numbers which are lying between these two fractions, these two rational numbers.